How to find my Clickbank nickname. So the first step is by opening your web browser such as your Chrome or Safari. For this tutorial, I will be using the Safari. And then simply go to clickbank.com or accounts.clickbank.com and simply sign in with your account. And then click on the three lines found on the upper left corner of the screen and scroll down until you can see the account section or option right here. If you cannot see the account section, you need to go to your profile and make sure to fill out the necessary information such as your street, your place or your address, your nickname, and etc. And then go ahead and go to accounts right here. Click on the X button and you may create a nickname, link an existing account, or you may also see your nicknames right here. So you can see I have one nickname right here, and then that's it. That's how you can find your clickback nickname.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.